I wanted to do something which I could not do in Malta.
It's the second time we heard this on the podcast.
Yes.
The first time we heard this was with Matthew Grech, ta River of Love, taf minu? Matthew Grech. But bro, he's actually a kind-hearted human being.
I have no clue who he is. I'm just picturing, what's his name, Gordon? Phil Patata.
Look, he doesn't have the best fucking religious...
I have no clue who he is, though, but if he's trying to convert people, then we have an issue.
No, you definitely have an issue.
I don't want to waste my time.
You definitely have an issue with this person.
Good.
But I sat down with him for 4 hours. Eventually, he did say, nothing wrong with being gay. I would rather not be gay. I'm trying to do this, and I'm trying to have a heterosexual life.
Is he the guy who used to be gay? Is he the ex-gay?
Yeah, but
Okay.
look, what he means by ex-gay is not what you understand by
Just wondering
ex-gay.
if he's the ex-gay. Is he the one who found God and now is no longer gay?
But what he means by ex-gay, it's very misleading.
Okay.
So it's one
He is
ex-gay.
very misleading.
Sorry?
He is very misleading.
I think it's very misled.
He's probably very misled.
Yeah. I don't think he does it out of any... ma nasibx li huwa bnedem kattiv, anzi, jiena nafu.
It can be very harmful.
For sure.
As a kid who did not feel he was okay and has considered, let's end this life when you're so young because you're not okay the way you are. That's not a joke, because of people like this who are shoving down your throat that you're not okay the way you are. And it's not something you can just change by going to a mass meeting. Or getting
prayer
shock
meeting, you mean?
electrocution.
No, they don't do shock
No, I know they
electrocution.
don't, but that used to be a thing, that thing that...
That actually happened. No,
Yes.
look, with Matthew, jgħidlek li jisma' nothing wrong with being gay. He said, I didn't want to be gay anymore. He went to London,
So
basically.
just don't be gay anymore. Shut up.
Yeah, but for him, it was,
wanna shove it
like
over
these
us,
evangelists,
Yes.
they want to evangelize why Jesus. It's like part of their religion is we evangelize. It's like part of.
I wonder if he was a gold star gay.
Sorry?
I wonder if he was a gold star gay.
No,
These are the
Matthew, if
important
you're listening.
questions. We need to ask him if you're listening.
These are the ones that matter. No, I don't think he was.
No.
Bro, I don't know. Jina għandi affinità għalih għax jina qabel ma u kien ħareġ li kien gay. U kien jaħdem ġo studio ta' xbiex insomma u jina kont imur hemmhekk nirrekordja u kien recording engineer. Sweetest guy in the world, got along isna kif inti. Tipo, u ma u kien ħafna iktar introvert minnek.
Okay.
Pero ġifieri jekk ngħidlu smallum nagħmlu sassijata fil-ħodu naħdmu bla problemi ta' xejn u jaħdem u intelligenti u kind trid kafir. Fantastic human being. Went to London. And came back, and all of a sudden I'm seeing him on, I don't know, social media, doing his Bible thumping thing. And I'm thinking, what the fuck happened to this guy? So something must have happened to the guy. Allora, l-taqa mi għawek, anke darba kien ġi għaran illa fin Malta, għalli kemna prezza l-affarijiet li għattamel, għal-pajis, u li għattamel daw l-affarijiet. Ġab li kejk, kien vera ħelu, vera ħelu. U dejjem kien hemm speċa dell-amicizja, u jien dejjem kont nipprova nispjegalu, bro, tipo daw l-affarijiet li qed ngħidu, tipo for you it works.
Do what you want,
okay,
as long as you're not harming anyone.
Eżatt. Imma tipo qatt ma wasalna, ma laqas fuq il-podcast wasal li qal isma', listen guys, nothing wrong being gay. I want to try this and it's for
But is he trying to change people?
No, look,
he's not.
I don't know. I don't know what he does behind closed doors, so I can't really
Not
tell
behind
you.
closed doors, at the meetings that they do.
No, look, I've watched For My Sins before
Yeah,
I came. I watched a few of the prayer meetings. They're actually quite benign. Like they're actually.
This is the same group as Gordon Manche, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Look, for sure, at some point, Gordon Manche was doing this. Like from the stories I hear. For sure. No, listen, not for sure. Sorry. From the stories I hear.
You saw him in his pull-up Gordon Manche ballet.
Yeah, ever seen that?
Such an iconic picture.
That's well.
That was literally me.
Issa palissa fil-fattet.
Slay Gordon.
Palissa qiegħed il-qort li Matthew.
Yes.
Għax u mar fuq program, insomma, kien jitkellem fuq l-esperjenza tiegħu ta' tipo kif għax u jgħidilek, ġifieri di tal-ex-gay ma tagħmilx sens. Għax huwa hekk fil-programm qalili. Ġifieri qalli ex-gay ġifieri jiena gay, għatlu ma għadek tħossok gay, għadek tħoss meta jek tara patata sabiħa. Toġbok. għatlu għadek tħoss tendenzi, għadek tara rġil u joġbuk, u ma bedix u għeġibni, ma l-mod li ma bedix u għeġibni, ma kienx għed jgħid li le, ma għed li jiva, taf kif? Allora speċa u ma setax jgħid li huwa ex-gay, ġiri maddux gay. Naħseb hemm ħafna affarijiet li huma.
Needs a good hug.
Yeah, maybe reach out to give him a good hug. Start from there, you know.
Cute.
That's what I'm saying.
He's cute.
Enough, bro. I mean,
I can tell him ex-gay. Oh my God, imagine we date.
Imagine you date.
Him.
La.
What does he look? He's cute.
Mux, orjulu.
Show me, please.
Ma nafx qed tiddeġenera għad il-konverzazzjoni jessi.
Mux you, Allah, you brought up River of Love. It's only gonna go one way
dejna
down
biha?
the fucking bin.
Lex! Mela, tlaqna?